Hey, good people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Let's make breakfast bowls. Breakfast is good all day long, all right? Starting with a hot pan with some avocado oil, I'm going to go ahead and get these hash browns browned up just like that. Next, we're going to scramble up some eggs. Get those into a hot buttered pan and get to scrambling. Next, we're going to go ahead and brown up our turkey sausage. I do have avocado oil in the pan because turkey sausage don't have no fat. Next, I am chopping up the onions. Go ahead and get those into a hot butter pan. Get them sauteed up nice and brown. And this is what you have. Now it is time to build our bowls. We also like to add pepper jack cheese and this queso cheese. Now you can omit it or whatever, but let's build. So we're starting with eggs. Gonna go on top of that with our pepper jack cheese and then a little bit of this queso, okay? And trust me, y'all, it really makes the bowl come together. On top of that, we're gonna add our turkey sausage and then our hash browns. All right, and we loved sauteed onions. We just love grilled onions. And then top it off with some more shredded cheese if you like. Melt it all together, and then this bowl is for my daughter. She was waiting. She loves Taco Bell hot sauce, so she threw that on top of hers. As for my husband, myself, and my son, we like ours topped with pico, so that's how we did ours. But that is the ultimate breakfast bowl. It is good. It is filling. Give it a try. All right. Love y'all big. Bye.